Hi YouTube friends. Recently my boys are very fascinated by Harry Potter story. So I'm going to transform the little space and our staircase into a little world for them to play, hiding and read stories. I'm going to use the material I already have and reuse them, including the stuff I used during my pregnancy, and also some rest of the wallpaper I use for my children's bedrooms. So first I wipe down all the dust on the wall, and so I'm prepared to stick the wallpaper on it. Now you can see I put more wallpaper and the little space look more beautiful. And the wood of the staircases are very rough, so I'm going to find a solution by using some fabric to cover it. Now it's nearly finished. So the wallpaper, and I put a lamp on it, and this rainbow fabric is a baby carrier I used to carry my babies. Now I don't need them anymore, so I reuse this fabric using some drawing pins and fix this fabric onto the staircases. And then I put this little bear on the handle as a door bear, and here I put this pink big U shape pillow I used during my pregnancy, put here as a cushion, and some soft toys and some books. And get ready and just waiting for my boys come to see. Now I will give you a tour inside. This is how it looks like inside. It's very cozy. Even I can enjoy it, this little space. So this is today's video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.